From the stacking yard, it's loaded onto a truck and taken to the dump hopper and dumped in. There, the capacity of the machine can handle up to 500 mm big concrete boulders or anything else. So it has to be sized before that. At the stacking yard, even some amount of sizing happens because sometimes you get unusually long columns, or you get very irregular shape, 500 mm in one dimension and about a meter in the other dimension. Then it wouldn't get into the jaw. So then it gets into the primary jaw crusher, where it's crushed down to minus 200 mm.
What horsepower is that?
That has a horsepower of 150 HP motor. And as per the machine capacity, it could handle up to 200 tons an hour. The difference between handling virgin rocks or freshly quarried rocks and CnD waste is when you're working with freshly quarried waste, freshly quarried stone, the feed is fairly uniform and it is a continuous process. But with CnD waste, you're working with a wide variety of
sizes,
waste characteristics which cannot happen on a continuous process. So once this fairly sized and segregated material reaches the dump hopper, then the primary crusher crushes it to minus 200 mm. It's carried on a conveyor belt, goes to the primary screening. The 200 mm is carried to a conveyor to the next screening station, where you have a grizzly screen which screens the minus 150 mm into a smaller crusher and plus 150 mm to 200, 250 mm to the bigger crusher, which can receive that feed size. And then the next round of crushing happens where it's reduced to minus 20 mm. 150 to around 40 mm down it comes. Then it goes to the screening. And I forgot to add, most importantly, after the primary crushing, the magnets pick up the tramp iron, which could damage the subsequent crushing stages. And after that, it is again taken to the next screening station, where it's screened for minus 40 mm, minus 20, 12, minus 6, and then fines. Minus 4.75 mm fines, and the fines that we receive from the first stage of crushing would have some content of soil and may not be very consistent because our feed material is not consistent. And then we get plus 20 mm is sent for recirculation to the secondary crushing stage, and the remaining material, that is 20, 12, 6 and the fines, gets into their respective silos for storage, and these are the recycled concrete aggregates. And then subsequently at any point of time you could load out from the silos for the vehicles to take it to the respective sites.